Do you want to send file in Messenger? You can attach document in FB Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To send a file in Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now, open the chat of the person or group you want to send the file to. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the plus icon. From the available options, tap Files or Documents. Browse your device storage and find the file you want to attach. Tap on the file to select it. Once selected, it will be sent to the chat. After sending, the file will appear in the conversation, and the recipient can tap on it to download or view the file.